forward to actual conversation with her cactus. Convinced that it possesses an intelligence, she is determined to teach it the Japanese alphabet.
Research conducted in the Soviet Union leads scientists to believe that plants may think. Attached to delicate electronic instruments, a cabbage plant registers annoyance to the exhaling of tobacco smoke on its leaf surfaces. A scene familiar in any kitchen takes on special importance in this experiment. In some mysterious way, the plant which is attached to the instrument is able to feel the mutilation of its comrade. In a more advanced experiment, technicians were asked to pass through a laboratory containing 2 living cabbage plants. One of the subjects has been instructed to destroy the plant which is not attached to the electronic instruments.
Like I said, plants are conscious.
Hours later, the technicians are asked to return to the scene of the crime. The evidence is clear. The remaining plant has correctly identified the assailant.
Hear that? Identified the murderer.
The Academy of Sciences of the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics has advanced research for the application of automation and cybernetics in plant husbandry. Connected to electronic instrumentation, these plants express their wishes directly, without the need of human guidance. In agricultural centers of the future, plants will show themselves to be fully rational beings, controlling their intake of water and nutrients, and even regulating the temperature and humidity of their environment. We're just beginning to understand the language of plants. It is a difficult and fascinating road wherein a multitude of surprises await.
I started my work on plants in 1962 while I was an engineer in the aerospace industry. And at that time, it was one of our goals to develop jam-proof missile components. Now, after much experimentation, my attention turned to living plant material, in particular to plant leaves. As time went on, and I experimented with these various plants and plant leaves, I noted very unusual reaction patterns. Now, at that time, I thought that my equipment was defective. It did not occur to me that I was witnessing a profound consciousness in these living plants.
It's true. Put your bare feet on dry soil, right by big trees with the roots sticking out.
Just for the specific purpose of
plants will communicate with you.
About consciousness in plants.
The older the trees, the better.
It worked. There is indeed a consciousness in the plant kingdom.
How do I get down?
Our consciousness was a secret for thousands of years. Then one pine tree had to open his sappy mouth.
Back in position. How do I get down?
Our consciousness was a secret for thousands of years. Then one pine tree had to open his sappy mouth.
Back in position. How do I get down?
Our consciousness was a secret for thousands of years. Then one pine tree had to open his sappy mouth.
Back in position. How do I get down?
Our consciousness was a secret for thousands of years. Then one pine tree had to open his sappy mouth.
Back in position.